So today we're changing the front wiper blades on the 2023 CR-V. It's pretty easy to remove the old wiper. You just push in on this button here and you should be able to pull it straight out. I'm just going to set that down carefully on the windshield. We're using these blades from Rain-X. They're a beam style wiper. Alright, so here's our replacement blade. We're going to remove this yellow strip once we're ready, but we're going to have to remove a couple pieces from this because it's kind of a universal mount. So we're going to remove this outer piece here. I believe we can kind of push down and pull that away. So that's the first piece. We're also going to want to remove this blue piece. Just push that down here and pull that off. These prongs here will slide inside where my finger is going, and this little slot here with a nub to catch here will actually go over the top. So hopefully you'll be able to see this. All right, so you can see how this is going over the top, and once it hits this hole here, this tab will lock in. All right, so that's good to go. Just remove this yellow piece and that one's done. I'm going to rinse and repeat on the driver's side. This is our 19-inch passenger side. Okay, let's put the CR-V into wiper maintenance mode. I'm going to turn the car on. Turn the car off. I've got my foot on the brake, and then I'm gonna move the wiper arm up, hold it up, and you can see it just moved up like that. It's locked into place. Let's go change the driver's side wiper. We're gonna do the same thing we did on the other one. We're going to remove this big outer piece, remove this blue piece. Now that our driver's side wiper is where we can reach it, so I'm just going to remove the old wiper, pushing in on this little tab, pull it out. We're going to take our new wiper, slide these bottom tabs in. Much easier on the other one. I'm looking into the sun now. Okay, we got to get this tab on top of the wiper arm, and then it snaps in. So remove this, and we're done. Okay, both new wipers are on, and they look good. Hope this helps you. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.